If you're looking for a great 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, then your search is about to end. Because Nokia is all set to launch a powerhouse smartphone for you, packing a 200-megapixel camera and the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia NX Pro 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today, we're diving deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of this stunning smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia NX Pro 5G. Display. This premium smartphone flaunts a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection for added durability. And guess what? It's also IP68 rated, making it dustproof and waterproof. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera beast. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, featuring a jaw-dropping 150-megapixel primary sensor, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel macro sensor. And for all the selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, ready to capture your best angles. Performance. Under the hood, this phone runs on the latest Android 15 OS, and powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring blazing fast speed and lag-free gaming. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia NX Pro 5G packs a massive 7100 mAh battery, with 100-watt ultra-fast charging, support via USB Type-C port. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Expect a price tag of around $600. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it's coming very soon.